Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by connecting the two devices with the correct USB cable. This is the first actionable step. Once plugged in, make sure the receiving device is powered and unlocked so transfers won't stall. On phones or tablets, tap the USB notification and select File Transfer or MTP. On computers, accept trust prompts. Do this now so you avoid permission errors later. This step prepares both endpoints and establishes the connection that enables browsing folders and copying files securely. With the devices recognized, open your file manager and find the connected device as an external drive or media device. Once visible, navigate to the desired folder on each side, then drag and drop or use copy and paste for the selected files. Make sure to monitor progress bars and avoid interrupting mid-transfer. If copying many files, batch them into folders to keep structure consistent. This reduces conflicts and makes later backup simpler. Finally, verify file sizes match to confirm successful transfer. To finish, always safely eject or unmount the device from the computer before unplugging. This ensures writes complete and avoids corruption. If something goes wrong, first retry with a different cable or USB port and toggle the file transfer mode. Often that resolves handshake problems. Make sure there's enough free space and that files aren't write protected. If issues persist, restart both devices and attempt a smaller test transfer to isolate the problem. One key tip: switching cables fixes most common failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.